Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? We are trying to learn English in easy ways. That's why we have to practice much. Okay, now we can go through our lesson. Today's our lesson is introduction myself or yourself. Okay, I am going to introduce myself with you. I am Mukhlis Rahman. My home district Nilphamari Jala under Rangpur division. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation in English from Dinajpur Government College under National University. I have completed my graduation in 2016 and completed my post-graduation in 2017. After that, I joined in a high school an as a teacher in the post of English. After that, I was trying to better for my career. And that's why I tried very much for upgrading my career. Then I had selected as a lecturer in English. After that, 3 months later, I also selected as an intelligence officer. After that, I joined the new job and get it previous job. Also, I'm trying to update my career. Okay, this is myself, and I'm from Nilphamari Jala, Dimla Upazala, and growing in a village, and it is a remote village from the Jila town. That's why I'm rising my village culture in myself. Okay, thank you so much, and it is it is your turn to introduce ourselves. Thank you so much.